Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this unit that I got from Rose Hair. Shout out to Rose Hair for sending me this unit. I'm extremely excited to try this mixed color unit. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, make sure you continue to watch. So I think this is super cool. They literally set your girl up with this whole package deal. I'm not sure if packages come like this, but here's the wig coming straight out of the packaging. And then they also provided me with a pair of lashes, an edge brush, a clip, one of those shiny hairpins, and then some tweezers, a hairpiece tie, a wig cap, and a rat tail comb. So they literally set me up like this can get my whole process done. The only thing I need is my glue. Other than that, we're good. So what I did off camera is bleach the knots. The knots do not come bleached. It does say that it's pre-plucked. However, I'm probably going to do a little extra plucking off camera just because I want my hairline to be just a little bit more thinned out. I do see where it's pre-plucked, but I want it just a little bit more thin. This is a 13x4 lace wig and it's 20 inches long. It's 150% density. It has undetectable transparent lace. The wig texture is straight. I have a medium-sized cap size, which is about 22. And then the wig parting description of this is no part, meaning you can freestyle, do a middle, left, or right side part. The hairline comes pre-plucked. It doesn't have any baby hairs or bangs. And then the wig color, it's kind of like a mixed hair color would be my description, because I mean it just has highlights going all the way through the unit. You can't necessarily say it's like a 1B/30 or 1B/27. And then as I said earlier, the knots do not come bleached. So I did do that off camera. I might throw in a clip of me bleaching it. I did record it, but I'm just not sure yet if I'm going to include it in the video while I'm doing this voiceover. So during the installation of this unit, it was a very easy process. So I tame the hair back with the edge tamer. After that, I move on to my hot comb just to push it back. It keeps all the flyaways and the hair out of the way while you lay your lace. After that, I use some ORS gel to install my unit, and I used a little bit of freeze spray as well. This gel is one of my favorites. It's really good smelling. So I wanted to just talk to you guys through the process of installing this wig so the video won't be so long. I know that some people prefer videos to not be so long, so I want to make sure I give you enough information while also just being able to watch what I do. During the process of installing this unit, I think it installed really well. I definitely agree that it is an undetectable transparent lace. Once I got this lace glued down, it was like not visible whatsoever. And I did add a little bit of powder in spots where I got the freeze spray, because if you're not familiar with freeze spray, it actually sometimes leaves like a white residue. So I went over it with some ebony bronzer powder. The straight texture of the hair, it's very, very soft. When it comes out of the packaging, it's also very soft. It had a wonderful smell too. The 150% density, I like it. I do kind of wish that this was a little bit higher in density, or let me say, I think I would like to have this in 180% density. I think having straight hair and having it more full, I like that style, but I also like how this looks as well. I think I'm just for thicker hair when it comes to straight bundles or a straight wig. So it also took the bleach really well when I bleached the knots. Once I got all of the bleach off, I was like, wow, I don't even see any dark knots. Like, okay, really like this lace. The only thing that I really had an issue with is the shedding. It was minimal. However, I think it probably also would have been like just leftover from when I plucked the hairline, because it says that it's a pre-plucked hairline, and it was pre-plucked, but I needed a little bit more, if you get what I'm saying. I wanted a little extra scalp. I wanted a little extra scalpage with mine, but it still turned out looking good. It still looked good with the pre-plucked hairline. I definitely think you probably could have wore it like that. It's just all based on your preference, but this unit gave me no issues, you guys. I added a little bit of hairspray just to put like some sheen to it, but y'all, there were really no issues with this unit besides like you having to bleach the knots yourself, that would be the only option. However, I want to show you guys, the card that comes with it. The card gives you all the details of the wig, so you have options when you order from them. You can choose exactly how you want your unit to be customized. I did put some on here, which I know is like a big shocker for me, and if you're familiar with my channel, it's a big shock to you guys as well, because I usually don't go for baby hairs. But I was just looking at it and I was like, I kind of want to try just a little bit of extra pizzazz in the front, and I do think it's cute, but I think the next time I wear it, I probably will get rid of these baby hairs and just push them back. There's also going to be a coupon code for you in the description box, and I'll also put it on the screen here. The coupon code is R7, and you can get 20% off with your purchase if you use that coupon code. I recommend trying the unit if you're interested in something in this style. They do also have other styles, you guys. So this unit did come like this. I'm not sure if I said that earlier, but you saw me take it out of the package. So yeah, the unit comes like this, and they also have other textures. They have other styles. You know, you don't have to have something with color in it. It can definitely be plain. If you're interested in something that's colored like this and styled this way, I would definitely recommend trying them out. Again, this is my first impression, so I can't say exactly how the unit will hold up, but as far as my first impression, it looks really good and I had no issues with it, so I would recommend it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment as well. Thank you again to Rose Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.